Hello, and welcome to Start Your Week Right.
My name is Elisa.
And I'm Phil, and today we're going to show you how to make the best breakfast ever at home. So you could start by cracking the egg, because today we're going to make some French toast. So to make this French toast recipe, we're going to do it super easily. We're going to beat an egg with some milk. So today we're going to use almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you want. Now you can beat it together.
Is that good for you?
Okay, I think that's perfect. And now we can dip the bread into here. You just need to coat it on both sides really well. Okay.
I'll just flip it.
Yep, perfect. A little bit of a flip.
Okay.
And then you can add a little bit of cinnamon sugar on top of the bread, because then it will caramelize in the pan and it will be delicious. All right, so now put it in the pan.
I'm gonna make a mess.
That's all right.
Just letting you know.
That's okay. And here we go. And then about 4 to 5 minutes on each side.
How many are we gonna make? What's a proper portion of French toast?
I think a proper portion is as many as you can possibly fit in your stomach. For me, that would probably be like 3 and then a good nap with a nice coffee. But in total, we're gonna make about 6. And usually the portion size is anywhere from 4 to 6, depending on how big your toast is.
Oopsie.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, pour it in.
Oh, do you hear that sound? You want to hear it again? It's so good. Okay, that's good. I have one more actually.
Oh, perfect.
One last one.
Okay, good. So we're gonna have an overdose of French toast for breakfast today. And after that, we need to make a little bit of toppings for the French toast. We're gonna do a caramelized apple in here with some maple syrup. So now we need to put the apples in the pan with a little bit of maple syrup.
Okay. Ooh, they look good. I think they have the right consistency. They're like a tiny bit warm and a little mushy, but not like really.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes I don't make sense.
Just a little bit softened.
Softened is the word I was looking for.
Let's grab some of the apples. And you'll do the almond drizzle on top.
Oh yes, I will.
All right, granola
Granola
rain.
Perfect.
Okay, well, it's our turn to try this delicious recipe. Maybe you can try it at home too. And thank you so much for watching.
We hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.